Yeah, I'm filming.
Cool.
Yeah, so your name's
Right.
My name's Samuel Larry Lancaster.
Let's see the camera real quick.
Just don't burn the camera.
I'm not gonna burn the camera. Alright, let's check it out. There's no pan on it, but it's going pretty good. Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's got the blower hook up to it. The stand is kind of ghetto though, but it works.
It's all good.
And really good deal on this old ass Peter Wright. Got for $200, which I think was pretty good, but the face needs some work. That's why I was asking about that refinishing job. And yeah, that's about it.